Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's open the recents first of all, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with, I believe, square icon or 3 bars icon, I'm not sure right now. And if you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. If you want to, you can close, for example, only one of those apps, just find it and swipe it up like that, or simply tap on clear all to close all of them with only one click. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.